Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss a lesson, 8th class English lesson, and the name of the 8th class follow-up lesson is tips from the wise old man. Could understand tips means suchana? Tips from the wise old man. Here, tips means suchu. Woman, I see. Okay. What did I say? I said man, but actually it is not a man, it is a woman. So tips, here is the topic, that is the tips. Tips means suchana. From the wise old woman. चतुर लोकर स्त्री लोक ठारू सूचना जो पाइबा. Socialization, pre-reading. In the main lesson, you read a folk tale about a wise old man. This is a folk tale, loko katha. Folk means loko, tale means katha. So this is a folk tale, loko katha about a wise old man. Jane chaturi स्त्री लोक विषय. Now we will read a story. In the main lesson आम पूर्व कथाटे पढ़ी पूर्व कथाटे आम से पढ़ी. एबे देखिए now we will read a story about a wise old man of Orissa. ओडिशार गोटे बुढ़ी लोकटार चतुरी तो गोटे क्लेवर वाइज ओल्ड मैन विषय पढ़ा. So here is the picture. Look at the picture. There is a old lady woman and here is a old man. They are sitting and talking something, but we don't know what they are doing. We don't know. ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ଜାଣିନି. Okay, let's see. Let's move to the next page. That is next page is like this.
Text.
Text. While reading, the Konark temple is the glory of Orissa. You know, glory means this is glory. Glory means Gaurava. Konark temple is the glory of Orissa. Gaurava. Konark temple hochi Orissa ro ek Gaurava. What is the glory of Orissa? The Konark temple is. Have you seen? Have you ever been to Konark temple? Kave jaicha?
Yes.
That is also called a Black Pagoda. It is in Konark near Puri and Bhubaneswar. So it is famous for the Sun temple. Surya Mandir pai prasiddha. So the Konark temple is the glory of Orissa. ये हूँ ओडिशार गौरव. इट इज आल्सो द ग्लोरी ऑफ इंडिया. ये मध्य भारत राम देश भारत वर्षर मध्य गौरव. कोडा द कोणार्क टेम्पल. मेनी लेजेंड्स आर एसोसिएटेड विथ इट. अनेक किंवदंती अनेक इतिहास आ सहित जोड़ी रही विथ व्हाट विथ दिस टेम्पल. ए लॉट ऑफ स्टोरीज आर देयर बिहाइंड इट. Yeah, 1200. It took 1200 years and 1200 men. 12 years. Yes. But 1200 artisans, many Karigar. That is. Okay. Took were used to complete it. So let's associate with Jodi Igraji. Two most important being about Dharma and Sibai Samantaraya. जिते जन दास संस्कृत थे ता भीतर दुई जन हूँ प्रमुख मुख्य दे धर्मपद एंड शिबई सामंतराय. द मेन आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ द कोणार्क टेम्पल. While one of them relates to the starting of the temple, ye Sibai Samantaraya started the temple construction. He was the chief architect of the group and he was the group leader. The other with its ending, Dharmapada ended it. Father started it and son ended it. बापा आरंभ करथिले पुओ समाप्त कर देथिले. Could understand? The Dharmapada is the son of Sibai Samantara. That is or otherwise known as the Vishnu Maharana. So while one of them relates to the starting of the temple, the other with its ending, everyone knows about the story of Dharma. You know, I know, they know, everyone knows. तमें जान मु जान सी जान एवरीवन नोस द स्टोरी ऑफ Dharmapada, the son of Sibei Samantara, the chief architect of Konarka temple construction groups. So everyone knows about the story of Dharma, but if you know about the story of Sibei Samantara, and very little is known about the old woman whose tips jar or ticket suchonare for Sibei Samantara laid the foundation of the temple. Se mandirara bhiti prasthara sthapana kartili. So here is the story. How Sibei Samantara came to know how to lay the foundation stone of Konarka temple. And who gave him tips? Taku ke suchana deitila. Let's have the story. Wait 1 minute. Here is the story. Yeah. Sibei. What did I say? Sibei. Sibei, according to the legend, Kimbadanti Anusari, according to the legend, Sibei, according to the legend that goes around, जो चारियाडे चालची, was the minister of king. Sibei was the minister of king. She was the Rajankara Mukhya Mantri, minister of Mantri. Langula Narasingha Deva, and the name of the king was the then king was Langula Narasingha Deva. Say dinara Rajangara Naujande, Langula Narasingha Deva for Isha. He was in charge of laying the foundation of the Konarka temple. Say Konarka temple ର ଭିତ୍ତି ପ୍ରସ୍ତର ସ୍ଥାପନ କରିବାର ଦାୟିତ୍ୱରେ ଥିଲେ. Who was in charge of Sibei was? Who was Sibei? Sibei was the minister of Langula Narasingha Deva, the then king. Say dinner Raja. Ede Chandrabhaga, the place where a Konarka temple has been founded. That is Chandrabhaga place. Seashore means Samudra Kula. Whatever stones were Chandrabhaga. What did I say? Chandrabhaga. Okay. Whatever stones were dumped, गदा कराउतला जहाँ पत्थर जमा कराउतला on the sea समुद्र कूलरे were washed away by the wild current of the sea wide. समुद्रर स्रोत सब भसई नहीं होतला. एमाने मंदिर करिया पई जेते सब पत्थर आनिक जमा करूतले समुद्रर से हिंस्र जो जुआर आस्तुला सेइतिरे सब भासी पड़ुतला. He was in deep trouble. Who was Sibei was in deep trouble. गभीर असुविधार पड़गला, बड़ असुविधार पड़गला. In the troubled state of mind, तांकर मुंड खराब रे बिगड़ारे. He was coming back from the goddess Mangala of Kakatapur. Kakatapur is a place and it is famous for goddess Mangala. Devi Ma Mangala, Mangala Manga Prasida. He came there of Kakatapur after offering his prayer. Tankar Pratana is puja Archana Karshala Pore. To the prayer to the goddess Debingu. It was night, Ratida. He felt terribly hungry. Who felt terribly hungry? Sibei Samantara terribly. Bhayankara bhokko hala tanko. What there was hardly any habitation. Kintu se pakapaki kode hele jana basati nai, janapad nai. Bhokko helani khaibo kono. What shall he would eat? How can he conquer his hunger? So, goddess, it was night. He felt terribly hungry. But there was hardly any habitation. Habitation means janabasati nearby nikotare. For a distance, he saw a flickering light. Se aluo, minji aluo dekhile. Flickering light minji aluo dekhiye kichi durare. Who saw? Sibei Samantara. Coming out of a small hut, gote choto kutiroro minji alu asse. He tied his horse tango ghoda bandile to a tree gachare by the roadside rasta parshware and went to the hut. Kutiro ku gale with the hope of asare getting some food. Kichi khadya paiba asare sedi gale. Who went? Sibei Samantara. Where? To the hut. Tied what? Tied is a horse. Where? In a tree, with a tree. Horse to a tree, not with a tree, to a tree. Could understand? He was hungry. He was terribly hungry. ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭୀଷଣ ଭୋକ ହେଲାଣି ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ନାହିଁ ଭୀଷଣ ଭୋକିଲା ତ comprehensive questions. What is para about para one about?
Part 1.
Paragraph. The para means paragraph. So the paragraph is about the legends of Dharma and Sibi Samantra who were related to the construction in the theory, Nirmana. Construction of the Konark temple. Question number 2. Why is the Konark temple the glory of both Orissa and India? It is the glory of both Orissa and India because it was a very fine and attractive figure of goddess and men and women carved on it. What is the meaning of legends? Legends are very old and popular stories that may or may not be true. What are the two legends? The two legends are about Dharma and Sibi Samantra who were connected with the starting and finishing of the Konark temple. That is number 4. Number 5 is which one of them relates to the starting of the Konark temple. The legend about Sibi Samantra relates to the starting of the Konark temple. Next one is question number 6. Which ... teachers frames the question. Okay. So which one of them is related to the finishing of the Konark temple? Next one is 7. Which one is more popular? So the legend concerning Dharmapada is more popular. Which does the teacher to from? Which one is known to a few people? Next 9. About whom is it little known? Could understand? It is an old woman about whom very little is known. What was the name of the king? The name of the king was Langula Narasingha Dev. Who was Sibai? Who was Sibai? Sibai was the minister of the king Langula Narasingha Dev, and he was in charge of the laying of foundation of the Konark temple. Why was Sibai in a troubled state of mind? Question number 12. Why was Sibai in a troubled state of mind? Sibai was in a troubled state of mind because the stones that were thrown on the sea were washed away by the wild currents of the sea. Question number 13. Where was he coming back from? He was coming from the temple of goddess Mangala of Kakatpur. Can you guess what Sibai prayer was to goddess Mangala? So his prayer to goddess Mangala might be to help him by the work of laying the foundation of the Konark temple. And why did he go to the old woman's hut? Yes, he went to the old woman's hut to get some food to satisfy his hunger. Where did he tie his horse? He tied his horse to a tree. With this, that is the end of today's lesson. We shall discuss the other part in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.